Hello and welcome to Ask A Web Geek. My name is CJ Gilbert, and you're joining us for episode 40 of Ask A Web Geek. This is CJ Gilbert. I'm a web developer in San Diego, California. I call myself the Web Safari Guide, and that's because my clients tell me that the internet is a jungle. It's so easy to get lost and not end up where you want to go, and there's distraction, and there's hidden traps, and there's quicksand, and there's all kinds of people distracting you from where you want to go. And I'm here to help lead you through that jungle and help you get where you want to go. And today, we're going to be talking about how to create a border, a scene, just like you see here in front of you. So before we jump into the material, I got a lot to go over with, but I want to show you our featured animal of the week. Now, if you've been with me, you've seen him before. It's our little Bengal tiger. And the tiger is our featured animal of the week because it's a new year and we are getting pumped up. We are getting ready to do some business here in 2021. Maybe you've been working on your plan. Maybe you've been working on your goals, and now it's time to take action. So today I'm bringing you our little jungle friend. I'm bringing you our tiger as a symbol that you are the tiger in your jungle today. I want you to take action. I want you to be the tiger. Take action and get those results. Remember our tiger friend as you go forward. All right, gonna pop off the hat. We're gonna jump into the slideshow, and now it's time to Ask a Web Geek. This is the show, Ask a Web Geek. It's a Facebook group, it's a YouTube show. I'm gonna show you all the places that you can get involved. Ask a Web Geek with CJ Gilbert. Let me know what questions you have. What do you need to go over again? There still may be something that even after you've watched it, you still don't understand how something works, or it's not working right for you. And I want you to feel free to come back here and ask me all the questions you have about making this work. If we need to make this a part 2, part 3, part 4, I would love to do that. I don't know what your questions are at this point. Come on back to Ask a Web Geek, jump into our Facebook group and make your very own post that says, hey, CJ, I was trying to do that OBS thing and my questions are this, this, and this. And I'll cover it in the next show. I'll answer it right there. Somehow I'll make sure to get those answers to you. So give it a try. See if you can make it work. It's definitely going to make you stand out in your next Zoom call. And then I would love to see what you build. Take a picture, take a screenshot, and show it off. Show us off what you've built. And I'm really excited. I'm really glad to see what that's going to be. Check out my free video workshop. Learn how to make your website work for you. Uncover all the hidden profit inside of your website at mywebsitesafari.com. This is a totally free class. Again, it's in 7 short videos. You can take as much time or as little time as you want to go through this and apply all the principles to your website. All the links and details will be at our website, askawebgeek.com. I would love for you to come join our Facebook group, subscribe on YouTube, and check out all the resources that I'm sharing there and here and everywhere. There's no such thing as a stupid question. This stuff gets really difficult and really convoluted and really difficult to talk about and confusing. And I get confused, and I'm the web geek. So it's all a matter of taking it one step at a time. Let me know what questions you have. Let me know which steps you're getting hung up on, and I would love to help you get through that. Subscribe on YouTube. Check out the last episode to see what I'm doing over on Twitch. I'd love for you to follow me there. My name is CJ Gilbert, and on behalf of Gilbert Studios Website Design and the Ask a Web Geek podcast, I just want to let you know, we understand the internet is a jungle. It's way too easy to get lost, to fall down the wrong path, to find yourself stuck, to get caught in the quicksand, to be distracted, fall down a rabbit hole, and at the end of the day, you did not end up where you wanted to go. And instead, I encourage you to hire a well-trained guide. Join with a tribe of people that can lead you through and get you where you want to go. Wishing you a wonderful Wednesday. I want you to have a wonderful week, and we'll see you again next time in the web jungle. Anyway, let me rewind a little bit. One more shot with the hat. Hopefully my encouragement to make it as simple as possible and then increase in complexity. Hopefully that came through. Thanks so much for being here with me. Really appreciate you. And we'll see you again next time. On behalf of Gilbert Studios, Ask a Web Geek, and the whole crowd, thanks for being with us. We'll see you again next time. Have a wonderful week. God bless. The internet's a jungle.